Okay, I'm attempting to defrost this Samsung refrigerator. It's a poor design, poor engineering design, because this part back here will ice up eventually. I think it's taken at least 2 or 3 years. But there's ice buildup back here. So I'm trying to get this cover off. There are 3 screws holding this. One here, 4 screws. One here, and one here. The shelves are, all these shelves here are easy to take out, except this bottom one here. This bottom one here is attached to this unit here, and here is the key. This little tab here, you push it in, and the shelf comes up, and you pull it out. And then you can get to these 3 screws here. That's the ticker. That's what I couldn't find. I went onto YouTube, I found a video, and he showed me this little tab here. You push it in, the shelf comes up, it separates from this unit. This is your water filter. You got your lines that come in. Hopefully this will be, I got a screw I took out there that I didn't need to take out. And a screw here I didn't need to take out. But once the ice melts, then it should be a lot easier to pull out. Door. This is the fan. Still works really good. See, still spins. It's a 12-volt fan. So there's nothing wrong with this part. There's 2 connectors. You have to pinch this here, and you have to pinch this one right here in order to pull them off. But it stopped making noise because the ice actually had stopped the fan. I guess a lot of people would say, oh, my fridge was making a noise. And then it stopped. So I guess it's okay. Well, no, what happens is that ice stops the fan, no longer circulating air anymore. Okay, there's the fridge after all the ice is melted. Only problem is, down here, this drain, there is still ice down there, so I suspect that ice was blocking this drain. So I poured some rubbing alcohol, and it's still melting, so I want to make sure that this is cleared of ice before ice or whatever is down there that's blocking it, before I start putting it back together. Yeah, that should be draining, but it's not right now. It's got all this rubbing alcohol in it. Okay, it looks like that hole is finally cleared. I'm going to pour some more alcohol down that hole just to make sure it is cleared. Oh, do you hear that? I think it has. Yep, it's cleared. Okay, thanks to alcohol. Here's another engineering flaw. This is the ice cube tray turned upside down. It cracked because of the pressure from the ice. I'll put this ice cube tray back in. The ice cube maker here frosts up and it'll eventually stop making ice. So you have to shut down your fridge, take out your ice maker, let that area up in there defrost. Mine has been defrosted probably about a month ago. It's still pretty good. During the summer you will have to defrost your ice maker. Here's where this thing was back in here like that. Okay, there's a fridge all put back together. With that minus the food, we cleaned the shelves. Put that rear piece back on. It's working. It's very, very quiet. You can't even hear it, and it's all working perfectly.